I'm Charles Phillips, and I am a consigner with New Auctions for their April 10th Fine Arts and Interiors sale. There are some beautiful things in this auction, some of which belong to me. So I'm going to tell you about a few things that I think are really lovely. And right now, at this moment, we're going to focus on some tabletop things. There are some beautiful tabletop things, dishes, glass, in this sale. Among them, for instance, these beautiful hurricane chimneys. These are unusual in that they are so large, they're beautifully engraved. They have the rolled bottom, which indicates early 19th century. I know that originally, these came from a great store in Cleveland that some of you, Clevelanders anyway, might remember, Sam Borton. Sam Borton was on Cedar Hill, down where the Vixie Boxy Art Gallery was back in the day. Sam Borton was run by a lovely lady named Louise Langelier. She was in partnership with one of the great interior decorators of the day, Jim Ackroyd, who had incredible taste. Everything in Sam Borton's was just phenomenal, just stellar things, kind of winter antique show quality back at that time. They were the place to go for beautiful gifts and interiors, and Jim Ackroyd was a genius, very much in the John Fowler kind of school of decor. Beautiful taste, gorgeous eye. These are enormous, they're in perfect condition, and they too could be yours in the April 10th Fine Art Sale. Other things on this table right now, beautiful set of Janori dinner plates. This is the large size, over 10 inches. This pattern is called Fier Soleil. These I love because they reflect neoclassicism, the little Italian scene in sepia, that little bit of cobalt blue, the gold wreath, just lovely. This is a classic Janori pattern, very much in demand. Everybody loves Fier Soleil. You might not want demi-tasse cups or pickle dishes, but to find 12 big dinner plates is really something special. Also, these are lovely. Dessert dishes, early, made by Spode. Marked, yeah, they have a Spode mark on the back. In excellent condition. The only thing you might find on these is things like maybe air bubbles or little skips in the paint, all in the manufacturer, because these were made in very early times for Spode, early 19th century. And this is a classical pattern, Kikkoman. Many of the English companies made variations of this. These are just lovely, and the colors are really pretty with the blue, the rust, picked out in gold with that beautiful tree. And the miracle of miracles is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yep, there are 12 of them, and that hardly ever happens. Nothing cracked in half, nothing broken. Those are beautiful. This is another favorite pattern of mine. This is made by Copeland, which was later acquired by Spode. This pattern is called, they only ever called it Grapes and Vines. It's a transfer pattern, but look at these colors. What a genius for color. The turquoise, the purple, the lilac, and then let's throw in a little bit of that rusty orange just to set it off. The colors in this set, this group I should say, are just gorgeous, and nobody did color like Spode did with their transfers. Look at that, with the teal, the lilac, the purple, and again the rust, and then that bright chartreuse green, this beautiful mulberry purple. Really pretty things. They make a beautiful table for autumn or for spring. There's some beautiful glass in the sale. There are other sets of dishes. I believe there is silver. There's always silver. So if you're looking for beautiful tabletop, the April 10th sale is worth a look.